All right, so let's talk about snapshots. So Tempus has some unique snapshotting capabilities. What you'll find in many other PPM type tools is they perform what are known as baselines. So they're essentially looking only at the schedule. Baselines are valuable. They let you compare what do we plan, what are we currently planning. You can then identify variances. They also play a role in earned value accounting and management. In Tempus, snapshotting is much more elaborate. We capture both what is planned, actual, remaining, but we also capture the attributes, the financials, milestones, the team information, and additional information. So snapshotting can be done on a project-by-project basis. You don't even have to open a project to conduct a snapshot. From the project management screen, I can select one project, actually just highlight it, click on the snapshot icon, and from here, I can choose from a list of predefined snapshot types. These are predefined by system admin. These might be by phase, by stage, forecast, year, and so on. So these are commonly defined snapshot types that customers can use to compare projects at various points in time. You can also provide a snapshot description, or you can choose to not use one of the predefined snapshot types. As an end user, you can create as many of these as you wish and simply create the snapshot. You can also, and this is also unique to Tempus, is I can select multiple projects, an entire portfolio, an entire program, or the entire system, and take a snapshot. So let's say all these projects are being snapshotted. I'm capturing the information because we've now entered phase 2. I'll select create snapshot, and this is now capturing everything about those projects and storing it inside of Tempus. You'll notice once this takes place, we now have the snapshot count field. I'm currently sorting by that field, which is why those projects have moved. There they are. You can see they now have their snapshot taken. At this point, you could drill down into any one of the projects, and you'll now have access to a snapshot tab. That's right here. And when I click on the snapshot tab, this will show me all the snapshots that exist for that particular project, if it's aligned with any of the predefined snapshot types, who took it, and when. You can delete this if you have rights, and you can also change the snapshot type association or drill down into the snapshot itself to see all the information at that point in time. So when we took the snapshot, what were all of the project attributes? So I can see over time how various attributes, both built-in as well as custom fields defined by customers, change over time. And I can also see that in reporting. You could also view the plan, the actual, the remaining information as well in terms of cost, FTE, hours, FTE percentage, month, week, and day. And of course, we capture this both at the resource rolled up level or at the task level, depending upon how the customer is planning. And we also capture both allocation and demand information. And again, choosing to use one or the other, both, those are implementation specific. We also capture all the details surrounding the financials, the milestones, as well as the team information. So a very comprehensive snapshot. You can exit the snapshot here, and then you can access the snapshot information if we head back to the home page underneath report management. So all of those data that were captured during the snapshot are now available for reporting purposes. And you'll find this in the pivot grid or pivot chart report writer. Under dimensions, you now have this entire snapshot dimension section from which you can access all the information captured during that snapshot, including the allocation, demand, attributes, and so on. So that's a brief overview of snapshots.